Hello guys, so we will be talking about PS5 DVD drive today. There are lots of questions if the PS5 DVD drive can be replaced or it is has got embedded codes with the processor like Face ID. No, it is not. You can replace the PS5 DVD drive, but this is the board which has got the same embedded codes that works with the processor, letting it know that it's the same hardware. So you got a new DVD drive, you have to take this board out of faulty or old DVD drive and then just install in the new one, and it should work fine. So replacing with the board, yes, the DVD drive will work. And the next thing is, I will suggest not to open DVD drive by yourself. So this is one of the DVD drive that came in because the customer, I think he wanted to clean the board and then end up breaking this DVD drive connectors here. So now what's happening with this PS5 is, because the hardware is not detecting and the software is not detecting that DVD drive is not present, so it's not updating, and sometimes it goes to the safe mode and sometimes it doesn't turn on. So if your PS5 is not digital and you have got the DVD drive which is faulty or not working, you might have problem running it properly or updating the software. And now we will look under the microscope if these connectors, we can solder it back properly, put the DVD drive back in PS5, and if that fixes the problem. Okay, so this is, it looks like this is definitely ground, and this one of course it's ground. I don't want to pull it a little bit. Okay, just tilt it this way. Okay, oh sorry, here. Okay, so these actually, yep, so 1 2 3 4, all 4 of these are broken. So what I can do is, what should I do? Just scratch it. But even if I scratch it, then this, how I'm gonna solder them if I scratch it? What should I do? Run a wire from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. Yep, that should I do. Okay. So that's all soldered. The next thing we have to check if this is all connected.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
How you doing?
Okay,
Sorry.
that's all good. So I should have no problem working. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.